Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary.Christiance, serving Guaranty since 1981, but you know me as the van guy. The van guy's got something really hot today. 2020 Pleasureway Ascent on the all brand new 19 Mercedes chassis. Come and be surprised. I'm going to warn you though, there's not many of these around the United States. We've got another one coming in August, and Beth and James have already bought it. So this is the one that we're going to have. I hope you get a chance to come in and go for a test drive, experience the 7-speed transmission, and also, gosh darn, isn't that cool? So when you get into a campground and you're wanting to get in and out of your unit, you don't have to worry about this big door slamming back and forth with everybody around you. Just a little touch of the wrist and it opens and closes. It makes it very comfortable. While we're standing right here, let's look at some new features that they've offered. You've got a heated seat controls. This has got a power seat. It's got 3 memories. This is your recline. And the seat does still swivel. So we even have a brand new design dash with a backup camera. We'll get to that when we get inside. Let's pop inside. You've got a counter extension right here. It's got a little magnet to secure it in the down position while you're traveling. We're going to go in the back, and it's got the memory foam ultra leather, makes into a twin bed as well as a queen size bed. Yeah, you've got 2 little boards that'll fit in, and your back cushions come in here. This unit goes up and down for height. Come clear up, swivels all the way around. It's very flexible. Very nice system. It's got another screen here in the back that has all your controls. You got all your tank capacities, your water pump, your light package, air conditioning, furnace, your voltage for your battery, generator start stop, and you can even set it to automatically start with temperature or voltage, which is a nice feature. Solar panels right here. It's got a nice panel up on top. DVD player, wind guard antenna controls. Good storage all the way around. This is your bed kit, your air mattress kit. So you can put this up front in the front chairs and make a bed to go across the front. So you can carry up to 4 people, 2 in the back and 2 in the front. And now that they've got the bed kit, you can sleep a 3rd person, which is kind of nice. And that comes standard. Privacy curtains are up above. Nice storage in here. Now, the factory has been challenged to get the Mercedes vans. They are no longer taking sold orders. You're going to have to find units in dealer inventory, and the reason why is that Mercedes for 19 has offered all these new enhancements. Well, they're not getting them with all the new enhancements. This one, instead of a 10-inch screen's got a 7. But with Apple Play, you can still do voice commands. So what they've done is, they brought this one in. This does not have the touch screen, no LED headlights, no Distronic speed control, and no satellite radio. Those are some of the items that are offered, but they took the chassis so they can build some, otherwise they wouldn't be able to build any of them. But it says right here what is missing as far as all the enhancements. And yes, if you email me, I can send you a copy of all the enhancements so you know what they are. The Distronic cruise control, if you're following somebody at 60 and they speed up, it'll speed you up, and vice versa when they slow down. With this new system, the brakes are active. They will stop you. If you veer out of your lane, it will turn the wheel back into your lane. There's some very nice safety features that this chassis has that we haven't had before. So coming from the bedroom area, the living portion, we'll move up to the kitchen area. Got a nice little refrigerator. Controls are all up on top. Microwave. No room for a convection. You got your drawers, all plywood, all top grade wood. They're self-closing, unlike the microwave door. And get this out of the way. 2-burner stove up on top, brand new faucet, and a generous stainless recessed sink, flush mount, under counter. And you have a nice storage area over here, access to the water pump. And you got to remember, this is not even 20 feet long. This does have a sound bar on the TV entertainment center, which is an upgrade that they've added in last year. Nice little bathroom, again, under 20 feet long. Got a little shower unit, curtain goes across, Velcro's on the other side, and this falls down and it's all covered up. Let's go. We've got a screen package right here. It unclips, zips all the way down. When the screen's in place, zipped in, if you want to exit, you just pull it away, walk through, and it comes right back in place. Very nice, one of the nicest screens that I've seen in the marketplace to date. Let's take a look at some of the controls up on the dash. If you come on back in here, we'll take a quick peek. Yes, it's got the fob now. You don't need a key. You have all your controls right here.
We make your pizza for free if anything happens to it after you leave the store, even if it's not your fault. Like if it's a flash.
If we wanted to,
or even if it is your fault for taking something.
Here's your backup camera. Here's a wide angle view, a little narrower angle, and this is right behind the van. So if you're backing up, so I don't hit the van behind me. If I don't want to hit the van behind me, I could just focus right down on the ground. And of course, this gives me the wide angle to show what's around me. There are a lot of new features on the new van that's out. And with the power seats and having the seats turn and all the enhancements that Mercedes has done, this truly is a different van, especially with the 7-speed transmission. Let's pop outside. And of course the seats are leather. In the back they're memory foam, ultra leather. Again, power awning up on top. It says you have to have all the doors closed before you're going to operate it, which is a good idea. Your water fills right here, and as we swing around, they've redesigned both the tail lights and the headlights. Trailer hitch. There's your lithium battery in the back. It's a 200 lithium system. Your power cord, and then your flat tire repair. That way you can shoot the juice in there and put air in and get to where you're going. They have roadside assistance, of course, where you can call in and you'll be taken care of. Screen package is in the back, up above, and it goes all the way down if you want to leave your doors open for added ventilation. We do have screens back here on the side in the living area, and the fantastic fan up above for great ventilation. You notice that this window over here has no screens. It's just a nice, gorgeous, big picture window. So if you're sitting in here, you've got a great view. Pretty much is the same as some of the other models that we've had. The vent for your lithium battery, intake and exhaust on your furnace, your AquaGo for your hot water. It's got your gas, electric, propane refrigerator, service and vent, your utility center that has your 110, your city, propane on and off, and your cable. We all know about the outdoor shower, being of course a diesel. The small door is behind the big door. A little extra security. This takes regular diesel. There's no magic pull in. And the diesel that you can buy is a diesel that goes to this. This does have DEF. Just think about it as another windshield wiper function. You go into any auto parts store, get a small 2-3 gallon container, and you fill it up just like a windshield wiper. This will last 9,000 miles, and it does tell you when you need to add it. It's not a big deal. If you're going on a long trip, top it off and you're good. This does have the upgraded the mirrors, so they're controlled top and bottom as well as collapsible, similar to the Dodge Pro-Ram chassis. It's a new feature for this year. Does have power lumbar supports on the seats as well. Look at those headlights. Really dialed in the headlights. They changed the body just a little bit and just enough. I know you've got questions on this. Just give me a call direct, 541-554-9581. Go to my Facebook, The Van Guy, or shoot me an email. But don't wait. This one's going to be gone, and the next one's pre-sold, and who knows when we get another one. I appreciate your time and look forward to talking to you.